In this lesson, we are going to learn how to publish your track so it can be shared. So if you come over here to the upper left-hand corner and click Project, this menu opens up. You never have to worry about saving because auto-saving is usually engaged right off the bat, so you don't have to worry about losing your data. What you need to do is come down here, and yours will say Publish. Mine says Republish. But you're going to click that. You're going to get a screen, and it's going to look a little bit different than mine. It's going to ask you for the track name and all kinds of other things. So just name your track whatever you wish. Mine is named Demo Track, or Demo Beat, I'm sorry. Then you'll just come down to the bottom, and yours would say Publish. Mine says Republish, because it's already been published. This will run, and now your track is published, but that's not the only step that you need to do. In order to share it, I want you to go to your profile, so click on your profile picture. Down here, you will see your beat. So mine says Demo Beat. I'm just going to click it. So once you see this, come up to the URL bar, copy this link, Control A to highlight it all, and then Control C. Once you have your link copied, go to Schoology and upload it there.